Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm back with another video which I'm so excited about. It's my third time trying out another cut crease. So today we'll be diving into this green cut crease with a twist of blue and yellow gold colors. So please enjoy this video and kindly subscribe to my channel, comment and share this video. Give it a thumbs up and let's just get right into the video. I'm going to start with my eyebrows and I'm going to brush them off with a spoolie, and then I'm going to fill them with my Davis number 3 eye pencil. I'm a little bit sick, so if my voice sounds a little bit crazy, please forgive me, but I needed to upload this video for you guys because it was long overdue, if you may. Then I'm also going to set them in place with a brown mascara. To clean the eyebrows, this is LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. Then here I'm just going back with the pencil to make sure everything is perfect. Moving on, I'm using the same concealer as my eyeshadow base and I'm going to blend it with a sponge. Then adding a lighter concealer for the eyeshadows to pop. This is Pure Beige from LA Girl, and I'm also going to blend it with a sponge. Then I'm setting the concealer with a little bit of loose powder. This eyeshadow we are using is a fake Jaclyn eyeshadow palette. The one she collaborated with Morphe, but I fell in love with the colors and I thought why not try it. So I'm taking this dark jago green shade and I'm going to start divining my cut crease, and I'm just taking it right above the crease area because I have hooded eyes, and I'm just going to pack it all the way to the inner corner. To blend it, I'm switching to the light green shade and I'm going to blend the ash lines, and I'm also taking the lime green yellow shade for further blending. And by the way, these eyeshadows were so hard to blend, you have no idea, but they tried. To highlight the brow bone, I'm going to take the lighter gold shade from the palette. To cut my cut crease, I'm taking the same concealer and applying it mainly on the lid, and then I will open my eyes so that it can guide me where the cut crease should end, because this, I feel like it helps, especially if you have eye shape like. And I'm just going to fill in the gaps with a flat brush. Using the same palette, I'm going to take that teal green eyeshadow and I'm going to pack it mainly on the center of the lid. Then taking the light pink shade, the one just above that gold shade, and I'm going to put it on the inner third of the eye. Then I'm going back to the jago green color to blend on the outer corner. For a more divine cut crease, I added a liner in between, but I'm so green on this area. This is my first time trying it, and it wasn't as perfect, but we are getting there. So after the liner, I felt like something was missing, so I took the blue shadow and added it just on the tail end of the winged liner. Then I went off camera, added some lashes, and we are back for the face makeup. The primer, as always, this is Rimmel London Mattifying Primer. Then to color correct, this is LA Girl Orange Corrector, and I'm going to blend it with a sponge. The foundation is 525 Deep Golden from L'Oreal Infallible up to 24-hour Fresh Wear Foundation. To highlight and conceal, this is LA Girl in Fawn, and I'm going to highlight my under eyes, my forehead, bridge of the nose, below my cheekbones, and my chin as well. Then to contour, this is Black Opal Stick Foundation in Ebony Brown, and I'm adding shadows on my forehead, my cheekbones, my jawline, and my nose as well. Then I'm going to blend my contour shade first with a brush. And then I'm going to take a sponge to blend the concealer, and just taking my time to make sure everything is well blended in. To set my under eyes and all the areas that we've highlighted, this is Milani Pressed Powder in Dark Tan, number 7. And then I'm going to set the rest of the face with Milani Pressed Powder in Pecan. Then to set my contour, I went in with Milani Pressed Powder in Earth Glow because the face looked a little bit dull. But then I also went in with my Sleek Contour Palette in dark to add some dimensions and shadows on my big face. For blush, I'm going to take this shade from the same palette, and I'm kind of going to blend it with the contour. Then I went ahead and baked a little bit on my cheekbones and the sides of the nose. To finish off the eye makeup, I added a black liner on the lower lash line, and then I'm going to set it with the green eyeshadow from the palette. And then I'm going to blend everything with the yellow shade. Taking my liner again and adding a cat eye on the inner corner, and then added this yellow gold eyeshadow from Jaclyn eyeshadow palette for a little bit pop of color. Then to hold the eye look all together, I took the blue shadow and blended it on the middle of the lower lash line. I'm going to take off the excess powder. Then to highlight the highest points of the face, I'm taking the gold shadow from the palette. For the lips, this is Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Sarafine, and I'm going to use it as my lip liner, then filling the middle with NYX lip cream in Paulo. I'm also going to add a brown liner on the outer parts of the lips. Then to get my perfect nude with a little bit of pink, I'm going to take Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Allison and applying it mainly on the center. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not, and share this video widely. Comment on what you want to see next, and I will be glad to do it for you guys. I love you so much, and take care. Bye.